Rice Krispie treat coming along, Connor?
Good.
Yeah, what did you make? Let's see. Wow, what is that? You get to make another one. What about you, Caleb? Oh, what's wrong with what happened to yours?
Oh, it will become not a happy face anymore, but just a regular Rice Krispie now.
Oh.
Caleb, Mike, me too, Caleb.
Why are you eating this before?
It's okay. Let's do the house. Daddy, why don't you help them do the house? It's a big one.
Caleb, my turn.
Okay, hold on. No, don't use it all. Hold on.
That's it? What a waste. I'm not eating.
Caleb.
You can eat it. Okay, go ahead.
My turn.
Hold on. Go ahead. Do the house.
Wait.
Do the outline of the house. Can you try to copy it? The box?
Watch where you're sitting. I broke my phone.
Here, Connor, you get to make one more right here.
Here, I have one.
I know. You don't want to make another one? Got another one for you. No? Let me see. Can I see yours? Hold it over here. Wow, that one looks cool.
Okay.
So you're going to put it all together, Caleb?
Definitely. Caleb,
Don't wipe it on your shirt,
can I
honey.
have some glue?
Okay, don't lick your hand and put it on the table.
Can I have some glue?
Hold on, he's still using it, Connor.
It's not glue.
Yes, it is.
They're icing.
Can I have some?
Okay, now go ahead and put it on top.
Stick?
Uh-huh.
The icing stick.
This is Caleb's creation right here. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but...
It's a house.
Okay.
I'm making the wreath.
Oh, a wreath? Okay. And what's Connor doing? Look at that. Oh, look at that. I think you dropped your...
Thanks.
There you go. Make it, put it all together. Look, you dropped the other one. Just go ahead and put it on.
Okay.
Right there.
I'll have different ones. I'll have...
Go get napkins.
Oh, could I have the icing? Caleb, thank you, but I don't need it right now.
Here's some napkins for you. Wow, look at that creation. What's it going to be?
I'll put it right here because there's glue.
I got you taking a picture.